Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off video autoplay on Twitter. So let's go into our X, I mean Twitter, and here we are into X, right? So on the top left side corner you will see your profile icon. Just go over there. Now here scroll a little bit down, go to the setting and support. Once you're here, again go to the setting and privacy, and here just scroll a little bit down, and here you will find this option of accessibility, display and language. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see like this, and here in the bottom you will find an option of data usage. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, just scroll a little bit down, and here somewhere you will find this option of autoplay, which is here under the video section. You can see video autoplay. So if I just click on this and if I select never, then no video will be on the autoplay, right? And there is a second option, which is mobile data and Wi-Fi. You can just select any one of them. Same way, if you want to change something else, right? For example, if you want to decrease the photo quality or high quality videos just to save your internet, you can just do it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.